back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a perm rod set. Now don't watch the hair, I just washed it. Now I'm going to be oiling my scalp and stuff. Show you guys how I achieve my perm rod curl. So now I'm just going to be oiling my scalp. I'm going to be parting my hair in 6 sections, 3 on the left, 3 on the right. No, sorry, 4 sections, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. Now I'm going to go in with my hair oil, which is the DAX Hair Oil. Yep, so it has bergamot, olive oil, and castor oil infused in there. So this is what I always use. Go-to hair oil. So right now I'm just going to take that right there and do something like that on there. Just twisting it right now until I am ready to go back into it and style it. One fat healthy twist. Yes. If you asked me before, you know that all I use is water and oil. The water that is in my hair, the oil that I just applied, and I just put the perm rods on and they just come out how they do. I don't know how God does it, but He does. He's good to my soul. So the first thing you want to do is separate a small section of hair from the bulk. And you want it to be a part that you can part if you so desire, but I don't think I'm going to part this section. I'm just going to go back in and clip up my hair, and then this is the point where I individually put the oil on the hair. So let me come a bit close. This big fat yellow one, there's this medium size purple one, there's this smaller as well as this small little red one. There is this way small blue one. But let me tell you which one I'm going to start with. I like when my curls have variation. Therefore, I'm going to be using the ones I like to start with are the gray ones. Because I don't know, I like seeing on the curls look tight in the back and then the ones in the front just flow like, yeah, funny. These sets are for no more than 100 Jamaican dollars, which is no more than $1 US, I think. So yeah, pretty affordable. So what I'm gonna do is I notice the hand movement. I take the rod over my head like if you're going to wand your hair, and I just put it down like that, and I start wrapping my hair around the rod. I just wrap my hair around the rod until it reaches the end. Now, notice, do not close your rod like that because then the curl will just fall all the way down. What you want to do is close your rod on the inside so it locks you in. And no, I don't like to start from the root of my hair, as you can see, because it's going to be a bit tight and I want to have a bit of volume when I let my hair down. I don't want it to be all stuck on my head. So what is up with this pattern? So yeah, my hair dried, so I'm just going to take it down. It's 2 days old, so I'm guaranteed that it's dry, but you don't have to do that. You could blow dry it if you want to do take them down the next day, but I personally don't like using heat, but you could if that's your preference. So I'm just going to take them down now. So now that I have finished pulling out all the rods, this is how it looks. I am now going to fix it to my liking because, you know, no, I don't really like separating them on the first day because I like them to keep for as long as possible. These are the pins, the long pins. Yeah. This is the eco gel that I will be using, the one with olive oil. Yep. And basically do to achieve my Perm Rod set. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you learned a thing or two. Hope you try it out. I hope it works for you. So yeah, until next week, bye.